The seventh song on your Insta defines you as a person. Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. And here you have to tap until you find the desired story. You can also check this viral stickers and stories if you like this one for example. So there we have it. From here you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get that link in the Instagram app. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. So I will go with this one right here. You can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And now let's choose the song. So you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and then go to music. And then you have to count until you find the seventh song. So this is for me. You have to click on the done button from the right up corner and place the song where you want. So yeah guys, that's it. And now let me show you from where you can get that link. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, you have to go to super viral on my page at highlights. And there we have it, the first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can check this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.